Hello everyone, and welcome to Mecaparts. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure your store to ensure the Mecaparts app functions optimally. Let's start with the vehicle filter. This filter allows you to filter your products by vehicle. For this step, you'll need to use Shopify's free search and discovery app. Open the app and go to the Filters tab. Click the Add Filter button, use the car variant meta field, and click Save. Next, make sure the car filter is at the top of the list to prioritize it. You can see that the vehicle filter has been added to your store. But if you prefer not to display it this way, go to Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store and Themes and click Customize. In the theme editor, find the custom CSS section and paste the code from our documentation or the caption below. This code works for most themes, but if it doesn't, you can tweak it or contact us for help. Now, for the product details, go to Products, Default Product. Add a custom liquid block where you want it to appear, then paste the code from our documentation and give it a name. If you'd like to display the references and documents in separate blocks, you can simply split the code, line by line. And there you go. The vehicle filter has been removed for a cleaner user experience, and the product details are now displayed correctly. And that's it. Hope this helped, and see you next time.